Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Before I start today's interesting topic, I would like to ask one question. Can you guys imagine a friend who is always ready to chat with you, who never gets tired or annoyed, and who has vast amounts of information about almost anything you can think of? We are going to talk about that new friend today, which is ChatGPT. चैट जीपीटी एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मॉडल है जो केपेबल है आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने में एंड रिस्पॉन्ड करने में ऑन वाइड रेंज ऑफ टॉपिक्स। ये एक लार्ज कॉर्पस ऑफ टेक्स्ट डेटा पे ट्रेन किया गया है और आज जानते हैं कि ये आपको इंग्लिश सीखने में कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है। सी, if English is not your first language, you can ask ChatGPT to translate words, phrases or entire sentences into English and vice versa. This will help you practice your translation skills and improve your understanding of both the languages. Like आप हिंदी से इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं and आप इंग्लिश से हिंदी में कर सकते हैं, both ways. And ChatGPT can help you practice pronunciations as well by providing audio feedback on how to pronounce words correctly. By listening to and repeating the correct pronunciation, you can improve your speaking skills and sound more fluent. So, it will definitely help you in your pronunciation part. As it has a vast database of words, phrases, synonyms. So, what are synonyms? That means words with identical meanings. So, you can learn new vocabulary every day. And if you are expanding your vocabulary, of course, you will be benefited. So, by using ChatGPT, you can learn new words, see how they are used in sentences, and practice using them in particular context. Now, about those people who are weak in grammar, they can correct their mistakes and get provided with explanations as well. You can also know the rules because somehow, it happens that you are forgetting the rules. So you can also check the rules by asking ChatGPT and it will give you detailed explanation of the grammar rules and how certain sentences can be corrected. Okay, so that can be checked on ChatGPT. So you can practice your conversation skills by engaging in dialogues with it. That means you can chat with it, okay? By asking and answering questions, you can improve your listening and speaking skills and gain confidence in your ability to communicate in English. So it is just like a friend with whom you can communicate, you can talk, okay? And you can talk like anything. आपको डर नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने गलत बोला या सही बोला. It will be corrected ultimately, right? So coming to its accessibility, it is available 24/7 and that is the best part, which means learners can practice their English skills at any time and from anywhere. And this will make it convenient for you all because अगर आप मॉर्निंग राइजर हैं तब भी आपके लिए कन्वीनियंट है, अगर आप एक नाइट आउल हैं रात को जाग के पढ़ते हैं तब भी आपके लिए बेस्ट है क्योंकि किसी भी टाइम पे आप इस चीज को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। एंड अगर आप कोई भी नई लैंग्वेज सीखते हैं तो आपको ये पता होना जरूरी है कि किसी चीज को सीखने में कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की। So be it any language, learning any new language, it requires consistency. So you need to ensure that you need to practice regularly to improve your English skills. And you can also try definitely to find some other resources to supplement your learning, such as books, movies, or partners. So now it's time for you to work on it. You have any queries? Definitely you can keep me posted in the comment section and I will definitely try to help you for the same. Thank you.